Widespread. Definition: widespread in a sentence, widespread pronunciation, widespread meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of widespread. Widespread. Wide, spread. Widespread. Widespread as an adjective means distributed over a large area, or distributed over a population. Common usages in academic writing: widespread damage, widespread reputation, widespread changes, widespread impacts. Example sentences: widespread, adjective. The hurricane caused widespread damage and fear across the region. Example sentence number 2. The 2016 administration ushered in an era of widespread corruption that would stain the nation for decades to come. Please write a sentence using widespread in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of widespread, the meaning of widespread, and widespread example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.